The BOSGAME Mini PC N100 is powered by the latest Intel Alder Lake N100 processor, providing efficient performance for office tasks and home entertainment. Pre-installed with Windows 11 Pro, this mini computer features 16 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM and a 512 gigabyte SSD, ensuring quick boot times and smooth multitasking. With dual HDMI ports and a USB-C port, users can easily set up a triple-screen display, significantly enhancing productivity. A wide array of I/O ports, including 4 USB 3.2 ports and a 2.5 gigabit Ethernet port, offers extensive connectivity options for various peripherals and devices. The BOSGAME Mini PC N100 supports fast and reliable networking with its 2.5 gigabit Ethernet connection and dual-band Wi-Fi. BOSGAME provides peace of mind with their lifetime technical support and a 1-year warranty, ensuring users receive ongoing assistance and solutions for any technical issues.